All right, check it. So the ones laying suppressive fire, right? Just unloading, keeping their heads down. But then this chopper pops up over the ridge.
The sniper's keeping a pin?
No, the other one, the country kid.
Oh, okay.
Right, so the sniper sees the chopper, and he just lines up the shot, right? All cool and shit. Takes the shot.
Yeah.
Bam! Nails the pilot.
Oh, bullshit.
Serious?
First shot?
No shit, first shot. I swear to God, right through the fucking canopy. Pow!
That's so badass.
Right? And the best part? The bird just rolls over and drops. Blam! Right on the enemy position. I mean, clears out
if I remember
everything
right,
just like
that one shot...
Insane.
That was with an RPG.
Yeah.
You gonna tell them how it really went down?
Right, so lines up the chopper.
Nah,
Right?
their version's better.
I don't think anyone was expecting what you uncovered. That amount of military-grade hardware shouldn't have been a surprise, and that's got people worried. NSA, CIA, and DIA are swapping a lot of data right now, and a picture's emerging. Progova's part of a hardline faction inside Russia called the Ravens Rock Druzhina. We're still working connections, but this thing runs deep. In the meantime, Langley says Ravens Rock is moving a top-grade system into the hands of some truly bad people. I'll tell you up front, this op is a bad idea. You know it, I know it, and we'll do it anyway. We'll be deep inside Russian territory with zero margin for error. Ops don't get any higher risk than this. But the risk this gear poses if it slips through is even greater. So let's make damn sure we do it the right way.
Overlord, hunters on approach to target.
Copy, Hunter. Stay on point down there. You're going into a military facility. Arm response will be swift and deadly.
Understood. We'll ping you again when we're on site. Hunter out. Cargo is our priority target. We need to locate the gear and destroy it before it moves out. Stay focused. Straight ahead. 2 riflemen.
I'm moving.
Move to cover. Stay out of sight. On you.
On your shot.
Go!
Reloading.
Activating camo.
Moving. Careful, they got armor.
Up ahead of us.
Marked. 2 targets marked. Second target.
Contact.
Right in front of us.
Ready when you are.
Hey kid, you cool being here in the motherland? My parents are Russian. Me, I'm from Brooklyn.
That's enough, 30. Should be a checkpoint up ahead. That's our way in. We're gonna have to clear it.
Roger that. Contact hostile tank. Target 4. On you. Ready to fire. That's 4 targets. On your shot.
That one's down. Careful, they're looking your way. Set to fire.
Mark 2. Marking target 3.
Holding for your shot.
On you. Standing by. Ready to fire.
That's key.
All right.
Form up on me. Camo going up.
Drone deployed.
We've got multiple.
How many we got?
Too many. Make it quick and no survivors. They hit the alarm and this op is over before it starts.
Yes, sir.
2. On your call.
On your word. Fire! Reloading. Mark 2. Marking the 3rd. Target 4.
Say when.
Ready to fire. On your shot.
There's a shortcut.
On the move.
Camel's active. Biggest damn vent I ever saw.
The Russians use them to pipe hot air through the airfield. Keeps the ice off the one-ways.
Hey, I'll take random Russian tribute for 1,000. Get a drone in there.
Camel activated. Drones up. Drone deployed.
That did it. Let's go. Overlord, you tracking our progress?
Affirmative, Hunter. You're coming up on a stretch of runway with heavy enemy presence. There's another air shaft on the opposite side. That'll get you closer to the target.
Understood. Still got a long way to go. Sooner we start, sooner we're crossing undercover.
Oh, this is gonna be ugly.
Keep to cover, move quick, and nobody tries to be a hero. Got it?
Got it.
I see 2 hostiles. Riflemen. Where you see them? To the right. Lead, moving. Careful. We've got 4 more now. Straight ahead. Careful. There's another 4 of them. 3 o'clock. On you. Got another one here. On our 9. Up there, on the roof. On your shot. On you. Get back to spot you. There's another hostile. Location?
3 o'clock. Ready. Standing by. Open fire. Mark 2. That's 3.
Ready to fire.
Ready to fire. Fire.
Kill confirmed.
Hunter, Overlord. Target's on the other side of the airfield.
What's our route?
There's a series of you'll cover the approach to the target. We'll mark them for you.
Copy that. There's none of them. 12 o'clock. I'm moving. Contact. It's live. On our left.
That's 2 targets.
Ready. On your go.
On your word.
Go!
I'm reloading. Second target. Target 4.
Set to fire. Negative. He's down.
Dropped him. Moving. Eyes on 4 hostiles. In front of us.
Camels up.
Back one.
Enemy transport truck.
Deploying drone. That's 3. On you. Marking number 4.
Holding for your shot. Damn, I see 4 now. On the right.
Got eyes on the hostile sniper. Ready. Ready to fire. Reloading. That's 2 targets.
On your shot.
That's 4.
On your go.
On your shot. Hold fire.
Camo's up.
It's a truck. 12 o'clock. Drone deployed.
Add 1 hostile.
Where is he?
Next to that truck.
Holding for your shot.
Ready to fire.
Mark target 3.
Visual on 2 more. Up on that catwalk.
Target 4. On your word.
Do it. Kill confirmed.
Second target. Target 3.
Ready. On your shot. Say when.
Ready to fire. Fire. Reloading.
We'll go through here. Eyes open.
Camo's active.